As you know, rosemary oil does help a lot to stimulate hair growth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So on this video I am going to show you guys what I am doing to kickstart a hair growth journey. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this castor oil challenge until I'm due to touch up my hair again. As you may already know, I have Tesla's my hair, so I'm sort of like wanting to go on a new hair journey, Tesla's hair journey. So I want to sort of like encourage my hair to grow a little longer, to make it interesting so it's not boring. But yes, I want to share with you guys what I do and how I apply my castor oil for my hair growth journey. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss out more of the updates and all the nice stuff that I've got coming. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Sunny Isle Black Jamaican castor oil with rosemary. As you know, rosemary oil does help a lot to stimulate hair growth. And I have grapeseed oil for extra moisture. I normally do add aloe vera gel, but what I've just realized lately was that the aloe vera gel makes my hair, like, you know, it's a gel. It kind of like makes my scalp really hard, you know, like when you apply like a really hard gel, and I don't like that feeling. So I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and skip that today. Also I will add a little bit of I've got rosemary essential oil, so I've already added a little bit in there as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my peppermint oil. So I'm gonna mix it up and I'll come and show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of drops of Jamaican castor oil, up to, I don't know, just this much, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add drops of grapeseed oil, about this much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put just a few drops of this because I really don't like the smell, like, on me. So about maybe 3 or 4 drops, that should do. Cover it and I'm gonna shake it vigorously. And normally I'll just put it in like a hot water just to kind of like wake it up, because it's castor oil is really thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. I'm gonna do a quick length check so you can see the length of my hair before I begin this journey. So as you can see, my hair is just here. I don't know, I think it's armpit length. Yeah, the longest part of my hair is. So I'm just gonna use that for reference purposes. And this is over here, armpit length. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start patting my hair in bits, and I'll just apply a little bit and I'll rub it in. Massage it in like that. Massage it in. I'm done applying the whole mixture, so I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair a good old massage. My edges everywhere, and then I'm just gonna run it down my head for extra moisture. Yeah, I can feel the heat on my hair. So yeah, that's it. This I do maybe 3 times a week. Apparently you're meant to do it every day, but I don't want so much oil all over on my scalp, so I do this 2 to 3 times a week whenever I can. And then yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on how much hair growth I'm going to get within a month period of time, and I will share that with you guys. But yeah, this is how I do my Jamaican castor oil hair growth treatment, if you like. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and come back for more videos. Have a lovely day. Bye.